is a great way to show that you're serious without increasing your offer price. Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Hohrein Group at Keller Realty, Central Delaware. Today we're going to talk about how to make a competitive offer in a market where every offer counts. Before making an offer, it's crucial to understand what kind of market you're in. Are you in a buyer's market or a seller's market? In a seller's market, houses often go above asking price, and you'll need to make a strong competitive offer to stand out in the crowd. Working with your agent to understand recent comparable sales in the market is key. Next, a pre-approval is a strong tool that shows that you are ready to buy a house and gives the seller the assurance that you are ready to go. In most cases, sellers won't even entertain an offer that doesn't have an attached pre-approval. The earnest money deposit is also a great way to stand out from the crowd. Offering a higher than average earnest money deposit is a great way to show that you're serious without increasing your offer price. It's a great way to show your commitment. Contingencies like finance or inspection can often slow down the sales process. If you can be flexible or even waive these contingencies, it will make your offer look better to the seller. Now, not all contingencies are the same, and I never suggest my buyers to waive inspection contingencies. And some finance contingencies are required by the mortgage company. So you'll want to consult with your agent about what is necessary and what is not, and what risks you're willing to take to make a competitive offer. It is worth saying that working with a knowledgeable and experienced real estate agent will make a difference. An experienced agent is going to be able to present your offer in a way that makes it stand out and highlight all of the strengths of that offer for the seller's agent to communicate with the seller. In a competitive market, one of the documents we like to use to present a good solid offer is the escalation clause. The escalation clause kind of works like eBay, where you present your bid, but also tell eBay that you're willing to go up to a different price point in increments of $500, $1,000, what have you, to meet the highest bid price. This allows you to present an offer at what you would like and then go up to where you need to be if you really like the house. This allows you to stay competitive without overpaying. With all that being said, making a competitive offer in today's market takes preparation and strategy. If you're ready to start your home buying search and need help crafting your perfect offer, we would love to help. My name is Brandon at the Hohrein Group, Keller Realty, Central Delaware. My phone number is 302-346-2729. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Until next time, have a great one. Contingencies like finance or inspection. Now, not all contingencies are the same, and you'll want to make sure that I'm riffing, and that's the problem. That's what I was trying to say. Now, it is worth noting that working with a knowledgeable and competent, I don't want to say competent, that's rude. An experienced agent is going, I don't like the way this is worded, and I don't know how I want to say it, and that's the problem. That's what I was trying to say. In a competitive market, we tend to like to use a document called the escalation clause to allow a good, solid offer.